Hi, this is Rob. I ordered some mirrors for Betty Rumble, my Indian FTR 1200S, and I ordered them from Fenrir from Amazon. So let's take a look at what we got here. Apologize, this is my first product reveal video, and I guess you're supposed to keep the cellophane on, but I didn't, so my apologies. But let's open the box and see what we got. Pretty nice packaging, really. I mean, for mirrors. See, they have a brand soul here. Every extraordinary begins with the ordinary. Fenrir was born for freedom. Every inch is eager to take risks. Let every ride be filled with passion. Even you are alone. It is still the direction of heart. There's always a legend waiting for you. Oh, a legend. Right on. So it looks like we've got the little bar end arms that the mirrors mount to here, along with some mounting hardware tools and Allens. Looks like pretty good quality bolts. I'm going to keep the bag intact for later when I install it. And then here's the actual bar end here, if we can get it out, that the mirror attaches to. Huh? Pretty nice, kind of just a little plastic end there. Nothing fancy, but not bad at all. And it's all put together, it looks like, so it should go in pretty nicely. And then we've got these different diameter rings that we can use to snug things up, looks like. And here's the actual mirrors themselves. Looks pretty decent, pretty nice glass. I don't know. The casing actually feels pretty nice, and it's got some weight to it. You know, it's not too heavy, but it feels like a solid piece. I give them props. I mean, for $60 plus shipping, not bad. And again, the casing feels pretty quality. Got the little Fenrir logo right there. Yeah. So yeah, looking forward to installing this on the ride. Betty Rumble will get rid of those Dumbo ear mirrors, and we'll have some Fenrirs on there. Have a great day. Thank you.